Okay, let's look at another business. I'm going to go and look at Indiana again. Since I live in Indiana, we'll go to filters, established businesses. Okay, we just want established businesses. Cash flow price range, don't care. Let's go down to where it says date added. Let's go to last 3 days, apply. Let's see if there's anything here. Top performing residential cleaning franchise. Okay, let's look at this thing. It's interesting, I haven't seen this yet. Porter County, Indiana, gross revenue $1.44 million. Asking price $775. Established 2017. It's 7 years old. Owner's retiring. The owner does not clean houses personally. This is a fully turnkey operation with a great staff. Okay, here's the question: if the owner doesn't do anything himself, right? Like how they're applying, or she doesn't do anything herself. Like, why are they selling it? That's kind of the first question I always have. But anyways, well-established turnkey operation. One of the top-earning residential cleaning franchises is now for sale. All the competition. Okay. You benefit from an executive-level leadership business model. Highly confidential in order to safeguard the business and its personnel. Okay. Looks like it has vehicles, 26 employees, provided facilities, turnkey, fully staffed, full fleet. Yes, let's chat. Great landlord. Only retiring, hard work is done. I mean, I don't even know how to evaluate this. We could call. I guess we could call. Let's give this guy a call, whoever this is. Oh, it's not even a number here. Okay, I'll put in my info, and we'll see where we get with this. I mean, it's interesting. I'm about to get spammed here. Okay, I'm signing it right now, or I'm sending the message. So basically, what I'm saying right now is basically trying to prove that I can, that I'm a serious buyer. And that's kind of what you have to do. Again, you have to sell yourself to these guys. They don't really ever respond to you otherwise. Anyways, I think that's a pretty good one for today. I don't like there was anything else there. So yeah, there's always things that you don't see. That's why I check every single morning. This wasn't here last night, so I know this is brand new. I don't know what their contact information is, or else I would call them. Yeah, that's brand new. That's not been there before. This other one up here, newly profitable with great potential. Small assisted living home for sale, 20 resident rooms. This is also new. I haven't seen this either. Interesting. Dubois County, Indiana. It's doing 100. They're asking 300. That's 3 times. That's good. Or that's roughly 4 times, actually. I'm sorry. It's going to be kind of low on cash flow, but it is real estate. I would hope they're leasing the real estate, so the building doesn't come with it. Wow, that's interesting. That's a no-go. Like, you're buying something that needs to be in that building, and you're leasing it. With that small of a margin, that's not looking pretty. Yeah, I would say no-go on that one. But, I mean, we can look at the numbers real quick. 390 and 101. Go to our loan calculator. Okay, let's put in 390. Let's just do 360. That would be a 25... Well, no, it's not a real estate. It's a business. A 10-year loan. 10.5%, that's $4,800 a month, which would be roughly, let's just round up to 5,000 times 12, 60,000. So you'd be making maybe $40,000 a year. The problem is, what happens if they raise the rent? Because it's leased, right? And so you're getting the rent raised on you by 10%, 15%. Now all of a sudden your margins are getting compressed, and it's not like you can just start charging these people more. It's already a lot to live there. I mean, they're getting... Let's see, revenue's almost $800,000. So divide that by 20 people. Every person there is paying $40,000. I mean, you can't raise that up anymore. $40,000, it's almost $4,000 a month. That's crazy. So yeah, I just this would be definitely a no-go for me. Anyways, happy Tuesday, guys. Hopefully you give it a thumbs up, comment if you'd like to see something different. Yeah, have a great day.